I make more money in one trade a day than I used to in an entire month of working my old job because of this one concept. And the concept I'm referring to is the 15-minute opening range breakout. And it's pretty simple to learn, guys, so I'm going to break it down for you right now. So step one, we're going to find the first 15-minute candle at New York Open, and we're going to chart out the high, and then we're going to chart out the low. The next thing I'm going to do is drop down to the higher time frame and look for a fair value gap or order block that price bounces from. If you look to the left of the charts, you can see that we have a 1 hour bullish order block that price really bounces from right here. The next thing I'm going to do is look for buy side liquidity for price to target, preferably external liquidity. So here on the hourly time frame, I see a swing high that looks like the perfect target for the longs. The next step is waiting for a breakout of the opening range high. Right here you can see that we got a clean break above. Now I'm looking for a 1 minute fair value gap to actually target my entry off of. This would be my first option, and my second option would be the fair value gap just below it right here. So the next step is waiting for an opening range breakout, which is a close above. We do get the close above and we do get a 1 minute fair value gap, but we come down and inverse that level, so that is not actually a valid entry. Now I want to see us tap into the 1 minute fair value gap below that, and we also actually had a 5 minute fair value gap below here as well. So I would place my entry once we come back down and sweep liquidity, keeping my stop below the wick of the fair value gap candle, and then I am targeting that hourly swing high for my TP level. So let's see how this one plays out. It taps into our fair value gap level, and right here you might have gotten spooked out, but when you have conviction in your strategy, you know that you can hold through even the fake out moves. So we continue to hold that 1 minute fair value gap, and before you know it, we are going to head straight up for our TP level, just like that.